What's going on, guys? Welcome to another day in the garage. My wheels are here. My free Apex wheels are here. Now, how did I get free Apex wheels? I got lucky. Cody Groom, he has an Instagram. He posted on his Instagram story that if you buy something off his website, I think every $5 you spend, you get an entry for a free set of Apex wheels. And bought some stuff. He did a live feed, and my name was chosen, so I got some free wheels. Now, I can only pick from the flow form section, so I couldn't get the forged and all that stuff, but I got some free flow form wheels in here, and I already made a video on what my options were and what I was thinking about picking. So I guess we're gonna find out what I picked right now. I also did a bunch of stuff in the garage. Like I said, I posted another video talking about if you work 30 minutes a day in the garage, you can actually get a lot of stuff done, and it's been helping. I haven't been able to do every single day because I had some really long work days. But if you watch my Instagram story, you know I really have some long work days, and also it was really hard to get these wheels, but I got them now. I'm not gonna bore you with all this stuff right now. I'm gonna go ahead and get to opening the wheels first. I don't wanna make a 10-minute video and me opening on the 8th minute, finally showing what the wheels are. I'm not gonna string you along like that, so I'm gonna go ahead and open these wheels up now. But if you talk about this Instagram story, yeah, it was tough getting the wheels. I work at UPS, and bro, just open up the damn wheels. All right, let me go ahead and open these wheels, man. I know what I got, but you guys don't know what I got yet. These wheels are so light. Wow. Jesus. Yay, I got the arcades. Yay. I know I said I didn't want arcades because everybody has them. They do look good. They look beautiful. In my hand, they are beautiful. But like I said in my other video, I wanted to try 17s. So this is the reason I had to do it, because all the other wheels were 18s. And I had 18s. I had some of the other wheels already. So this is new to me. They're 17s. If I don't like them, I can put them on that car. So go ahead and open up the rest of these and test fit it. So the specs that I got are 17 by 9.5 ET35 all around, and that's perfect because they'll have no problem fitting on here since I have custom shaped fenders. And then two, if I want to move it over to that car later in the future, they should fit that no problem either. So that's kind of another reason why I went 17s, because I knew I had more options to put on different cars, because I didn't ever plan on running 18s on that car. So it's kind of temporary on this car, and then I can get other wheels later and then move them over. So either way, I got a free set of wheels. I can't complain. And sorry, my car is extremely dirty right now. I left it outside in the rain for a couple days while I was doing some stuff in the garage, and it got water spots and stuff. And me being scared to scratch the hell out of it, I'm gonna leave it and let the professionals take care of it. I don't want to mess it up right now. I love how my Broadway static suspension has no play in it. When I lift the car up, I pumped it twice. This thing's off the ground, front and rear. Love this. It's a tiny wheel. Ooh. Fit me. Alright, these are probably gonna be crazy sunk because I still have like 9 degrees camber up front, which I will have to get rid of soon. These wheels are so light, like seriously, it's like tripping me out. It's the lightest wheels I've ever handled. That's crazy. Not bad. I also have like a 25 mil spacer up front right now. Of course, I probably won't keep it in there if I get rid of camber. Who knows? I don't look bad, but it does look like every other E36. But it don't look bad, not gonna lie. I'm gonna drop it down on some wood blocks so I can get a better fitment. Alright, so that is it. It is on wood. It is on the ground. That's pretty much the fitment right now. but I mean, I'll make adjustments later. For one, I can definitely add a spacer in the rear, maybe like a 10, maybe a 15, depending on how big of a tire I go. Probably do like 255 or 265, 35 all around. So I get a nice flush fitment. The front still has like 9 degrees camber, so once I get rid of some camber, that will definitely even up. But not bad. Not bad. Looks pretty good, but it also looks basic. But it does look good. I mean, I understand why everybody runs these wheels. They do look really, really good. There you guys have it. That is the test fit. Of course, I have 2 more wheels to put on the other side, but I'll do that another day. Probably wait till I get tires or something. It looks good. Thank you, Cody Groom, for the set of wheels. I almost want to test fit them on that car, but I already know what they're gonna look like. I've seen an E36 with arcades before, so I don't need the test fit. But they're on here. They look pretty good. Not mad. They just look basic. So hear me out. I've been thinking. So I probably run them temporarily until I find some cool wheels, something pops up. But the reason I like the forged ones so much better because they came in a polished look. So maybe if I can get those either polished or get them powder coated in chrome, they'll look really good. They'll look like the forged ones, and they'll look better than the regular hyper silver, which looks good. But I mean, like I said, you've seen it before. Seen it 1,000 times. So I kind of want to do something different with them at least. So I don't know. Maybe I'll paint them a different color. I don't know. I'm undecided still, but right now I got them, and that's the cool part. But that's it for the test fit. Tell me what you guys think. You like them? Change color, get a different wheel. What you think? I mean, I appreciate your opinion, but you know, I'm the one building the car, so I'm just gonna take your opinion. I'm not gonna do your opinion. It's just I just like to hear other opinions. End of the day, it's my car. I'm gonna do what I want. You gotta understand that. No disrespect. I like y'all. I love y'all. But yeah. Let me know what you think. What would you do? Just curious. All right, well, I'm gonna let that sit and marinate for a minute. Let me talk to you about what I've been doing for my 30 minutes a day over the past couple weeks. First thing, I got my exhaust manifold mounted. It was tough. I'm not gonna lie to you, it was tough. It takes a lot of wiggling and precision to really get it on there. I'm gonna be honest, if it was in the car, if the engine was in the car, I have no idea how I'd get it on there. I even thought about getting some tools and notching it a little bit just to give me like a little bit more play, but I didn't want to do that because I was like, what if that makes it crack or something? And I just didn't want to take a chance. So I had to do what I could, but that was really tough to actually get on there. So, but it's on there now, so that's cool. That's done. What else did I do? I also talked about shaving my alternator duct so I can actually fit my turbo line in there. And I just bought a little Dremel from Amazon, and I like it. It's pretty fast. Battery lasts pretty long, and it did the job. I mean, can't really complain. It's not Dremel brand, but it's just like a Dremel and has lights on it and different speeds, and it worked pretty good for Amazon. I don't remember how much it was. I don't think it was expensive. I think it was $40 to $60, something like that. I'll put a link in the description if you're interested. What else did I do? I mounted my front lip to my bumper. So, I mean, that didn't take long. Also mounted my side skirts. I'm sure you saw that by now from the test fit. So I finally got my side skirts on there, and it looks so much better with side skirts. Like, it almost looks like a different car. Looks really smooth with side skirts. I mounted my front mount. Now the engine's not in there, but I just want to mount my front mount because I like the look. I like the aggressive look of it, and I thought it looked pretty cool. So I kind of did that, and it's kind of a little flex on the neighbors. You know what I'm saying? Got to let them know what's coming. You know what I'm saying? I mounted a new tire rack because I knew the wheels were coming. So that was preparation. Now I got a little sweet spot for them right above my freshly painted workbench. Also on my workbench, I mounted a new vise, and it was pretty easy to install. I mean, you put it where you want, drill, nut, bolt. That was pretty much it. And yeah, and like I said, I was gonna paint that black, and I did paint it black, and then it looked kind of boring black. So then I got some cardboard, cut out a little stencil for it, and then just kind of did my own thing and just kind of made a little M logo. Look, it's a little crooked, all right? You know, I had it set, you know what I'm saying? And then when I sprayed the can, you know, the can, it's air pressured and it moved a little bit. So it's kind of crooked, but whatever, it's an L, I don't care. It was fun. And I think it looks cool. And then I got yellow bins for all my little miscellaneous stuff. Not, you know, somewhat organized so far, but it's pretty cool. I think that's all I did. I feel like I did something else, but I can't remember right now. Oh, I know what I did. I don't know how I forgot to tell y'all this. I got a door handle. I got a door handle. Oh, I got two. I finished my door handles. Mostly finished my door handles. I got to get my other clip on the front. It's not mounting like it's supposed to. Whatever. You know how I feel. I don't even want to talk about it. But door handles are in. Door handles work. I finally got my door handles to work, and God, that was such a relief. I'm telling you that. I'm not playing, man. I'm serious with this whole build. That was the thing I was like despising the most. Everything else is like fun. You know what I mean? Like putting the engine in, putting the engine together, that's like fun. But doing the door handle, it's not fun. Wasn't fun. When I took them out, when I knew I was going to get the car painted, I took the old ones out, and taking them out was hard enough. And I'm like, okay, when I have to put these back in, I'm going to be so frustrated. So I, in the back of my mind, I always knew like one of these days I'm going to put these damn door handles back in my car. But they're in. Motorsport door handles are in. They look really good. I think they look pretty cool. But yeah, finally did that. But I think that's everything I did. Might be missing some small stuff, but yes, 30 minutes a day over the past 2 weeks, despite having very, very long work hours and probably a long week ahead of me too. If you watch my Instagram stories, you know what I'm talking about. But it is what it is. Got it done. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the wheels, hit the like button. If you don't like the wheels, hit the like button. If you don't care about the wheels, hit the like button. If you're watching this, hit the like button, man. Whatever, hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Deuces.